We should be on the beach in the next 5 minutes or so. Just make sure your seatbelts are fastened, sit back and enjoy the rest of the flight. We'll head in the water shortly.
Hi, I'm Nicole Williams and I'm shooting the cover of Ocean Drive. We're shooting at a very special location. We're in the Bahamas at Ocean Cay, MSC Marine Reserve. Flying into Ocean Cay was pretty amazing because I was just looking down from the plane and seeing all the manta rays and the sea turtles, and it's just mind-blowing to think that if there is no coral, they have no home. So impressed with Ocean Cay MSC Marine for, doing what they're doing and building the super cool so that we make sure that marine life do keep their home and it's protected. Hi, I'm Nicole Williams and I am wearing this bracelet for the hashtag Super Coral Play Challenge. We're raising money to help research a super coral here on Ocean Cay MSC Marine Reserve. Please help by going to supercoralplay.org.